deep in the rainforests of the world. That's what's for dinner.
Look at his face on it. Hi, look at the eyes. Oh, he's hiding, Paul.
Shy. Look at the pretty scales on this one. These fish are huge.
Oh my goodness. You are strange. Look at the big sucker fish there.
Sucker!
This one looks weird. What is that one? Looks like a horse. Looks like a horse. No.
What's your motto? Nothing. What's the matter with you? Are you starving?
Piranha.
Are you hungry?
No, but the piranha are hungry.
Where are they?
They're way in the front.
Oh. The largest flower on earth. The Rainforest Cafe, a wild place to shop and eat. An indoor zoo. This is nice though. But I'm starving.
Okay, these guys are starving. We're leaving them all good for the time. Just go ahead.
Very well done.
Oh, there he is. Up top.
See something?
Tiger's up there.
Oh my lord, there really is a tiger in here. This is so cool, an indoor zoo.
I thought cats don't like water. Why are they filling it up with water?
It's a little hard to tell apart. Let's see this. The nutmeg is not
Get in there. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Okay, here's somebody who really can sing. Marissa, this has got a nice echo in here. Can you sing In the Jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight? Go ahead, ready? My voice isn't warmed up. Go ahead.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
Seriously, you're singing?
He told me to.
Don't listen to him. Let's go.
That's good. I like that.
Why are you recording everything?
Let's go eat.
That's what it uses. All these hundreds of little feet with the suckers.
No bones about it. None of them have bones. Guess that made them invertebrates. There's Dory.
Clownfish can also do.
So she's giving them food. Wow.
Do they shoot? Yeah, I'll get you another one. That's the way they get food out of.
We're now in search of food. Coral Lagoon, nurseries of the ocean.
The fishing friendly? Little fishy.
Steven, there's more.
That was dangerous.
That's why I use water shoes. See anything in there that's cool? I think they did a good job. Lots of atmosphere. Sunken shipwreck. Those are the shots. Holy cow! Did you know jellies have lived on Earth for more than 650 million years? That's longer than sharks or dinosaurs. That's nice. We finally have something that's still alive from the beginning of time. That's a bizarre thing. Very bizarre. It's hard to imagine that that's completely healthy. Here's some more moon jellies. There are 300 species of jellies in the world's oceans and a few found in fresh waters. Let's go jellyfishing. Come on, Patrick.
That's it.
That ends this part of the tour. Thank you for watching. We're gonna go eat. It's the best use of a building I've ever seen. Really, very nice. Wow, they let you feed the stingray. That's amazing. You gotta feed them like that. Okay, Bryce, we found food. I don't know about what the rest of our family's gonna eat though. Dippin' Dots too. It's fun food. There's a restaurant down the stairs. The water slide down there. I'm gonna go put in a reservation. Nice looking restaurant, huh? You want to eat here, Bryce?
Yeah.
Bryce says yeah. Passing up the Dippin' Dots to eat here. It's a cool looking restaurant. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. I like it. A neat souvenir area too. Okay, we got seating immediately. Oh, cool. We're not going to buy that yet. Yep. All right, 10 minutes seating and Sweeney Brett's.
I thought she was going to get turtle.
This is so cool in here. I love it, and I'm hungry. Now we got to get the rest of our family together, and we're all set. All right, Bryce is spending his own money on some rubber bands. I'm gonna go get the rest of the family. This is one cool place.
right at us.
Just trying to find everyone. This is as nice as Disney World in here. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you. Oh, you've never been to Disney World. Well, yeah, this is really fun. They did a great job here. I hope you get to go soon.
And when it was Ocean Journey, I think this used to be like an open area, and they had like little like tanks and stuff, like with like the stingrays, like how they have upstairs. And so we got the idea of just to turn this into a restaurant.
Yeah, you did a great job.
Hey, enjoy your meal.
Aquarium, underwater dining adventure. Well, apparently we had enough seats for us. It's quite the school of fish over there. So what'd you come up with, Bryce? Cool stuff. Isn't this cool? Yeah, it's neat, isn't it?
I want to see it, Bryce.
He just bought them with his own money.
He didn't tell us we were down at the restaurant. He just said we got to take it.
Those are nice.
This is really cool, huh?
I love it. Yeah, I told her this is as nice as Disney World. She said she'd never been to Disney World. She doesn't know. This part is cool. Bryce is being nice to his sister. He's letting her have his duplicates.
Did you offer Cassidy any?
Or she didn't ask for any yet.
What's that?
I like the colors. I don't know. Goes along with the day here in Denver.
Going to the fishes.
Don't say he's going to the fishes. Don't say that.
Swim with the fishes. It's very cool. Am I sitting down here?
Cassidy's sitting here already, but I think there's a seat right next to Cindy for him.
We had jellyfish that you could touch.
Oh, really? Oh, I didn't know.
So you have to touch just the top? Is that how it works? Of the jellyfish?
We did, but you can feed them, and they come up and they pull their whole mouth over your hand, kind of.
Amazing.
Right there.
You mean the stingray or the jellyfish?
Stingray.
Stingray, yeah, okay, that makes more sense.
You missed Marissa feeding. What was it?
Oh my god, that was awesome. Because like
It was like, what kind of fish was it? An archer fish. It was an archer fish.
So
And the
she
lady
took a-
said he wants to feed it, and he had to feed it live crickets. So Cassidy was like, that means
Oh yeah.
live crickets. You had to hold it over the tank.
So
And
Marissa
the
did.
fish shot water, like from far,
Amazing.
to get the cricket.
Oh, that is so cool. And then it knocks the water off.
Like an ice cream.
I took some film of that, but I didn't know what I was looking at. That's cool.
Okay, it's Father's Day, so Kevin and Brett get to pick whatever they want off the menu. Yeah.
Bring on the brewski.
little frog shark.
Very good. You're reading all that?
So good, Jake.
Good job, Jake. You're a good reader.
Getting there,
You
yeah.
must be ready to go to first grade now. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, another whole way? Oh my gosh.
There's so many ways you can do it.
Some side plates. I saw one of your episodes.
There's so many ways, different ways you can do it.
Really? You're so smart. You would never get lost then if that was like a real maze, right? And then you'd always find different ways out. Cool.
And fish tacos are also amazing. You want to go non-seafood? Chicken fried chicken, grilled chicken pasta.
Oh, chicken fried chicken's weird, right? Invader Zim. He shows up everywhere. Thanks to Bryce.
Like Mickey Mouse used to be in SpongeBob.
Yeah. I'm gonna draw a Mickey Mouse. I just realized there's lights on the bottom of the fish. All right, here we go. Let's go upstairs. Check out the face painting. All right, this is my face before the children's face painting. And this is my face during the picking out of the face painting.
You want to get it on your hand? Are you
You're only getting one right now, buddy. Do you want it on your face or on your hand?
If you're gonna feed the stingrays too, you might not want to get it on your hand.
He's not going to feed the
I'm
stingrays.
gonna get it right here.
On your
but
cheek?
I'm gonna get the other side.
Okay, well,
Jake, this is your face before the face painting. This is her face before your face painting.
All red.
You want it red? Are you gonna want some glitter on it?
To make it look worse.
Oh, okay, worser. Ready?
There you go.
and here's his other one for
Yay!
his hand.
That was fast.
Since it's here.
You're right, Cindy. That was
This one on
fast.
your
The
hand.
other one?
No, the bottom.
That one on your
A
hand.
butterfly?
You want the butterfly, not the other shark?
A butterfly.
Butterfly?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
nice.
Yep.
Marissa, you got to get some stencils so you can do this to yourself. Ta-da! Cool. Don't wash your hands.
Okay, don't touch anything yet. Come back down.
Cassidy, this is your face before the face painting.
Okay.
This is her face before the face painting.
Do you want the heart red or do you want the heart red pink?
Heart.
Pink?
Because
Cassidy, you stay with Jake.
Cats like pink better than red.
Wow, what a pretty color.
Cats like pink better.
Yeah, you know, since we're here, you might as well do her nails too. They need some help.
Are you gonna want glitter on this?
Sure.
What color of glitter do you want?
Oh, that's beautiful.
I didn't know you could do that. I like purple.
Purple?
I didn't know you could do that.
You did it so quickly.
It
It's
goes by
amazing.
fast. There you go. What other one do you want? Cold, huh?
Wow, that actually looks like real makeup. Here, you can see what's going on, Cassidy. Wow, that's fantastic.
Just put your head this way. I want to see it.
I didn't know it was this easy. I really didn't.
Pink. Pink's her favorite.
I'm gonna have you close your eyes for this one, okay?
What's her favorite?
There you go. All done.
Let me see it, Kat.
There's a mirror right there. You want to
This
sit
one.
out?
Let me see it.
That's cool.
Jaguar.
Good choice.
Huh?
Yeah.
And Marissa, this is your face before the face painting.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. Look how pretty. Oh, this is your hand before the face hand painting.
Do you want it facing you? Facing that way?
Facing
Jaguar.
She wants to look at it. There you go, at an angle.
Are you gonna want glitter on it? Of course. What color glitter do you want? You're over here. Right now.
Whoa.
Can I have
Better turn this way.
white glitter, please?
Like glitter. You just hold them like that.
Here's all our food in one beautiful setting. Gorgeous.